What it do? You to today's video. I want to talk about part two. Death shall not find you part two. So the camera had cut off, whatever. So part two, like I was saying, it will come a point in time for the wicked, the people who speak against Yah. It will come a point in time where death shall not find them. Meaning, and like I'm talking about, I'm talking. This doesn't matter. To clarify this as well, this doesn't matter your status, as in how much money you got, or how much fame you got, or how many cars you got, and all this other shit, or how many, like just different shit, how many laps you can run, and all type of crazy shit. No, this is just humanity, right? So I'm talking about regardless of what your job occupation is, whatever. I'm talking about just being an everyday human. We all in the same melting pot, so to speak. And you have 85% of the world is demonic, but it's probably more than that. Like it's like the numbers shift every day. Because somebody waking up every day, there's somebody going back into the darkness, like the actual bad darkness every day. You know. So, like I'm saying, it don't matter what the fuck your status is, not like that. I'm just saying, like, on some everyday human shit. Most of the world is evil, regardless. Whether you in the industry, whether you NBA or anything, like, just on some everyday shit. Like, you could be speaking profound messages, trying to tell people, like, not even trying to tell them what to do, but drop little hints. And they probably speak against that. Oh, that shit ain't real. That God shit ain't real. They instantly get so mad when you bring up those scriptures, or you bring up some spiritual like nature, or you bring up, just anything like that. They get mad because they don't have no spirituality, and this not no fucking specific color or nationality. Like I said, this is for all humans. You know somebody out there that's just like that. You talk about spirituality and nature, so that shit ain't real. You know somebody like that's a demon. That's an NPC. That's a demon. That's all they have in this material realm. And this is the test. Like real shit. That shit makes sense. So it's like death should now find these people. It's gonna come a point in time where they have to live through their misery. They have to live through their woes. And that's pretty much basically like symbolic for transhumanism, because once these people merge with robots and machines, there will come a point in time where they will lose all the rest of their spirituality, all the rest of their soul completely, and death shall not find them. And it's just like they basically gonna be living forever, or basically living in this hell forever. I guess what they mean, hell and eternity, hell on earth for eternity. You're gonna be living forever, constantly in hell, because this earth, this 3D earth, is gonna turn to a hellhole, which is already getting there. And you're gonna live here forever because you won't be able to die anymore. That's what they mean by spending eternity in hell here on this earth. Doing the same shit. You won't even be able to die. You have to live through your misery. All those deep, dark memories you got, you have to live through that shit, motherfucker. And like I said, you have a lot of these entities out there that they speak against the Most High. They speak against nature. They hate nature. You know what I'm saying? And they try to play both sides of us, but they really hate nature at the end of the day, because when you bring up scripture, and like I said, I'm not saying church and all that shit. I don't that shit. I don't fuck with that church shit, because you already know what the fuck they doing. I'm not saying all pastors, but we already know a lot of these motherfuckers do that shit. So, I'm not finna just sit up and, oh yeah, church and all, nigga. Nah. So, I'm just saying, like, you don't have to go to fucking church to find the Most High. You know what I'm saying? Like, real shit, you don't have to go to church to find the Most High. You don't. You don't need no third party to say, Hey, give me a couple dollars and I'm gonna send your prayer up to Jesus himself. Like, no, you don't get your dumb ass on my face. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, these are the things that's going on. And this is what's going to happen. And this is what is happening. You may not see it from this point of view yet. But you know, me and a couple of my fellow brethren out there is you know, helping people see it slowly. But you have these demons that purposely like to attack those people. I guarantee you, watch, watch, watch. You right now watching this. If you're a person that's righteous, you got a soul, meaning you got some type of compassion, some type of love. You know somebody that hates spirituality. That shit ain't real. Watch. They always try to talk down on you or somebody that's speaking some real shit. They always try to justify. They always try to justify that shit with some buffoonery. We need to go to the club and do this, do that, all this shit. Like that's all they have to focus on. Watch those people closely. I guarantee you, they either started to get sick or they getting sick now. They already been got sick or they getting sick now. That's because they're going against the Most High. And this is the judgment, I'm telling you. You ever play Fable? I forgot to mention that. That's one of my favorite games, too. You ever play Fable? Fable 2. Fable 2, basically, that shit was cold as fuck. So in Fable 2, you know, it's a free roam. You run around and you could, you know, similar to Infamous, kind of like, you could do good stuff, help people in the community, or you could terrorize the community. You help people in the community, it's going to show in your aura because you'll have a halo and a glow around you. And you know, in the Fable game. And if you do demonic shit, it's going to show you get horns and your skin starts to, you know, start to decrepit or whatever the fuck. I don't even know. It starts to deteriorate. Yeah, that's a better word. Your skin starts to deteriorate and you start looking fucked up and sick. They give you an example in these video games of what's going on. I guarantee you, those people who don't believe, who speak against Yah, they could be consciously doing it. They could be unconsciously doing it. But 7 days after they attack a messenger, I'm talking about all the messengers out there that's on YouTube or whatever. If you got anybody that's attacking you, speaking down on you, 7 days after they speak down on you, 7 days after that, their life is going to do a complete 360. And shout out, like I said, shout out to Yash Karak because he put this shit into perspective for me. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm just mixing this shit with my own perspective and I'm comparing it to what the fuck is going on because this shit is obvious to me. You can see it. You can see it. These people who speak against y'all and who speak against you, you know, 7 days they will start to get sick. You know, because it doesn't take years for the Most High to get in tune with you. It only takes 7 days. So you got people, oh, that shit ain't real. I hate that motherfucker. I wish this, I wish that. 7 days after they do that, I guarantee you that motherfucker start falling apart. Your time is up. Now listen, a lot of y'all time is up too because these wicked demons that still pretend like they run this world, they scrambling to, because there's so much shit going, oh shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, they scrambling because they don't know what the fuck to do. Oh. So they doing their best and they doing a very good job to bring a lot of you with them. Down at 85% of the world to bring you right down there, straight to hell with them. Oh yeah, hell's not hot. It's actually cold. Watch a movie called 976 Evil. You know what I'm saying? The horoscope killer or whatever. The movie called 976 Evil, but they talk about like the horoscopes and all that, whatever. But at the very end of the movie, dude had to fight this demon. And when he goes into like his mom's old house or whatever, that motherfucker, he was like, welcome to hell. And that motherfucker is completely snowed out, like it's frosted. Like ice everywhere. He was like, welcome to hell because hell is really cold. And in heaven is really hot. Heaven is compassion, having love in your heart, having a warm heart. That's having a soul. That's compassion. These cold-hearted devils and demons, they have no soul. That's why they keep trying to rise against us. You know, planet keepers. Everybody not a planet keeper, but you know, some of these brothers is old scribes that came back, pharaohs, messengers, all type of stuff. And a lot of demons keep trying to rise up against them. And the more they rise up, the more they're getting sick, and they just don't understand what's going on. Think, motherfucker. Think, motherfucker. You're going down. You think you could disrespect Yah and disrespect Yah's people? It's judgment time. Humble yourself. Yes, I know the male ego is very fragile. I deal with it every day. But the fight must continue. Wake the damn up. More videos coming soon.